What time?
O'clock. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Mia.
Welcome back from winter break. Winter break is a holiday with family for Christmas and New Year. I'll ask everyone a question. What time did you wake up in winter break?
I woke up at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Good. You woke up early. How was Emily?
I woke up at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Wow! You are amazing. Thank you.
How about you, William?
I woke up at 1 p.m. every day.
1 p.m. every day?
Yes. 1 p.m.
1 p.m.? What is p.m.? Is it not 1 o'clock?
A.M. and P.M. That's very, very good question. Let's learn about A.M. and P.M. There's night and day, but the center of the time is not here. The center is noon. A.M. is from midnight at 12 to 11:59. And P.M. is from noon at 12 to 11:59.
Oh, I can't understand. It's too difficult.
Okay, let's see when to use it. A.M. starts at midnight. Midnight is 12 a.m. Now it's morning. Good morning. Let's have breakfast. It's 7 a.m. Next, during the day, we work. It's 10 a.m. You study at school at this time. I'm getting hungry. Let's have lunch. It's 12 p.m. 12 p.m. is noon. In the afternoon, it's 3 p.m. I'll read a book. Evening has come. It's 6 p.m. Let's have dinner. Night has fallen. It's time to go to bed.
I want to use a.m. and p.m.
Okay, let's give it a try. Emily, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
Sounds great. Now, let's go to 6 o'clock.
Okay. Hi, Miss Mia. Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
I am going to 6 o'clock.
Oh, Emily, wait a moment. You are going to 6 o'clock. But we have another 6 o'clock.
Wow!
So, this 6 o'clock is in the morning.
Good morning.
It's 6 a.m. And this 6 o'clock is in the evening. It's 6 p.m.
Good evening.
I see. I wake up at 6 in the morning. So, I will go to 6 a.m.
Yes, that's right.
I wake up at 6 a.m. Yay! Now I understand AM and PM. William wake up at 1 p.m. Let's take a look 1 p.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. and William wakes up 1 p.m. Now, let's go to 1 p.m. This is 1 p.m. 12 p.m. is lunchtime. But he wakes up at 1 p.m. Oh! He woke up after lunch.
Yes, that's a bit late.
I'll wake up a bit earlier.
Good.
Okay. I'll ask next question. How was your winter break?
I went to visit my grandfather. We walked the dog at 3 p.m. 3 p.m.
Wow! That was an amazing holiday. How was Emily?
I went ice skating. It was really fun. And we ate ice cream after lunch. It was 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Yummy!
It was a wonderful holiday. How about you, William?
I went skiing with Mom. We had lunch at 12 p.m. 12 p.m.
Sounds good. What a fun winter holiday. Today we learned about AM and PM. It was so much fun. Tell us in the comments what time you wake up every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
See you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you.